Hey guys, welcome back to Kelly's Creations. I'm Kelly. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is a little different. I am going to show you different ways and different places you can go to get inspiration for crafts. Of course, number one is Pinterest. Pinterest has a million gazillion ideas, and you can spend hours and hours on Pinterest searching any topic. Oh my goodness, Pinterest is amazing. You can use it on your laptop and also as an app for your phone. Another great place is just going to your favorite stores' websites. Just window shop online, and you can get so many ideas, and you can just gather materials and make those ideas your own. I love flipping through magazines. All those junk mail magazines that come in the mail, you know, don't just toss them, flip through them, because you will be surprised at how many ideas you can get from those magazines. And it can be any kind of magazine. I'm showing you right now Farmhouse and all the, ones, the go-to ones, but I get a ton of magazines in the mail, and before I toss them, I rip out the pages of inspiration and different ideas that I would like to turn into crafts and just tweak them and just make them my own. I absolutely love magazines, and I also love using magazine pages for my crafts as well. Of course, there's always window shopping. You don't have to spend money when you go in the store. I bring my camera and I just go around and I start snapping pictures of items in the store that I think I can duplicate, recreate, or make something, take their original idea and just turn it into my own. Love window shopping. My all-time favorite, and you hear it on my channel a lot, is Google Images. You can basically search anything and get ideas. You can find non-copyrighted pictures to print out and use for crafting. But you just go to Google, you type in what you're looking for, click the image button, and a whole bunch of pictures are at your fingertips. And like I said, some of them, if they don't have a watermark, if they're not copyrighted, you can print them and use them for your crafts too. So that is just, I absolutely love Google Images. You also you can get inspiration for decorating your home, not just crafting. I love going on and just looking at farmhouse decor or country, rustic country. Like I said, just like Pinterest, Google Images is a great place to just go to be inspired or print out certain pictures for crafting. I get a lot of my bunnies off of Google Images around Easter. Halloween's a great time to go on Google Images, and you just type in anything and just get inspired. So Google Images is probably one of my main go-tos. I know a lot of people would say Pinterest is, but I absolutely just love surfing Google Images. Not everybody has this next one, but TikTok is very, very popular. It can be from one extreme to the other on TikTok. But if you Google like Dollar Tree DIYs or farmhouse DIYs or crafts, inexpensive crafts, like there's a search button on TikTok, and you can Google whatever your little heart desires, and you can see how many unique and different ways people use their items for crafting. So it's a great inspiration tool. I know not everybody has access to TikTok, but I thought I would throw TikTok in there as well. TikTok can be a lot of fun. It can also be very addicting. Sometimes I will get on it and 3 hours go by and I haven't even realized that I never put my phone down yet. So of course, the next one is YouTube. You learn so much from YouTube. I have my go-to favorite channels, and I get inspired by these amazing creators on a daily basis. And it's so much fun how we all think differently. So we all could take the same Dollar Tree item and use it totally different 100 times over. So of course you're here right now because you love YouTube. YouTube is a great place to go to be inspired and to enjoy some amazing creators and their amazing ideas. I still like go to YouTube whenever something breaks in the house as well, because you can always find out how to fix it. So the next one is right at home. Go through your cupboards. You know that I save my Starbucks bottles, and go in that pantry and get inspired. Those cans make great crafts. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how many tin can crafts I've done, and I will do a million more because I absolutely love them. When you're doing laundry, look at those shapes of those bottles. They're amazing, and they can be turned into very cute bottles, along with medicine bottles. Any unique style and shape bottle makes a wonderful DIY. Facebook is another great place to go looking for inspiration. There are so many different groups. You just hit the search button and you can type in farmhouse, you can type in DIYs, trash to treasure. There are groups for everybody's interests, styles, just decor. Oh my gosh, so much inspiration on Facebook. I love just typing in farmhouse country and seeing how people decorated their homes. And you can look in the pictures and get inspirations for your next DIY project. Believe it or not, Amazon is also a fantastic place to get ideas. Just type in what you're looking for and just start scrolling. Just on this page alone, I am seeing items for sale that I could make cheaper. I am seeing items that I've already made with Dollar Tree items, and items that I know by maybe saving some of my cans or bottles or grabbing some Dollar Tree items that I can replicate what they're selling on Amazon. Amazon is great for craft supplies, but it's also a great tool if you just need that little bit of inspiration or ideas or designs to decorate your home or just a room in your house. I love just scrolling through Amazon and seeing what they're selling and giving me inspiration to duplicate it. Instagram is one of my favorites. I can spend hours and hours on Instagram. I love just scrolling through the pictures. I love now that they also do shorts, just like YouTube and TikTok, where people actually show you how they make items. There's so much inspiration on Instagram. And just like Facebook and TikTok, all you have to do is type in what you're looking for, and a whole bunch of ideas pop up. And it's just a great tool to get some inspiration for DIYs. Now, this one does not require any internet or apps. It's nature. It's going outside, grabbing some sticks. With those sticks, you could attach them to a vase, a can, and make the cutest little planter. Or you could take those sticks and put them in a jug, a glass jar, even another can. You can find pine cones. You can find acorns. In the fall, there's some beautiful colored leaves on the ground. All of these items are free, do not require internet, and make the cutest DIYs. There's always eBay. eBay is great to find vintage items. Me personally, I love decorating with vintage items. I love mixing new and old together, and I love creating or repurposing vintage items. So eBay is great for that. And of course, my favorite is going thrift store shopping or yard sales or garage sales, estate sales. I love them all. And I think that sometimes you don't even have to buy anything. Just like at the beginning of this video, you could window shop. You can get inspiration, you can get ideas. Sometimes they decorate their stores so stinking cute, you can get ideas for how to decorate your home as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun sharing where I get my inspiration, and I hope it inspired you as well. If it did, click that subscribe button, ring that bell for future notifications, and I will see you all next Sunday. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful week, y'all. Love you. Bye.